Police Dog Tango is an award-winning member of the Gallatin Police Force. Officer Austin McCurry has been Tango's trainer for the past year and a half.
He's a dual-purpose police dog. He's trained in criminal apprehension. He's also trained in narcotics detection.
We were curious if Tango could be distracted, like an ordinary house dog, like this one. Distraction number 1.
Okay, what do you think about the dog toy? Is that going to stop him?
I don't think so.
What about the dog bone? Is that going to distract the dog?
Maybe no chance on this one. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now!
Well, Tango, you've been a good dog, and we're glad you're on Gallatin's police force.